Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a delicious but light meal consisting of pasta with a lot of vegetables and a cheese garlic bread made out of broccoli. This is a perfect dinner time meal and hardly takes any time. So let's get straight into the video and see how this is made. Take a generous amount of olive oil in a pan. Add a generous amount of garlic to it and saute. Now add some diced onions. Next add bell pepper. You can use whichever color is available to you. I have used yellow, green and red to give the dish some color. Next are green beans that I have blanched. Some sauteed mushrooms. Mix the veggies well and saute them for a couple of minutes. Now let's move on to the seasoning. Add some salt as per your taste. Some fresh ground pepper. Some oregano. You can use fresh oregano if you have some. Give it a nice stir so all the veggies are coated with the seasoning. Add some boiled pasta to the pan. Mix the pasta with the veggies really well because you want to ensure that your pasta is coated really well with the olive oil that has been infused with the garlic flavor. Since this pasta has no sauce, this step is very essential. To finish the dish off, let's add some diced olives to it. This is a very simple pasta recipe with no sauce. This is actually my take on the Italian aglio e olio pasta, which is garlic and olive oil. The only difference is I've loaded it with some vegetables to make it super yummy. For the bread, take one big head of broccoli and shred it really fine. Steam the riced broccoli for 5 minutes and pat it dry using a napkin to remove excess moisture. In a bowl, take the riced broccoli, and add some garlic. I have minced about 4 cloves of garlic here. Add half cup of shredded cheese, some salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. You can also use fresh oregano and chili flakes. Next, add 1 egg. And mix all the ingredients together. Ensure that you're mixing all the ingredients really well since the egg and the cheese are going to act as binding factors for this bread. Once you've mixed all the ingredients really well, take a baking tray and line it with baking paper and transfer this mixture onto it. Now using a spatula, spread this mixture on the baking tray. You want to make like a flat bread out of this mixture. Add just a little cheese on the top that will help the bread bind together. Put the tray into the oven for baking at 250 degrees for about 10 minutes. This is how the bread looks after baking it for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add a little more cheese for flavor and then put it back into the oven for 5 more minutes at 200 degrees. And cut it into desired pieces and we're done. That is all for today, guys. I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I will see you all next time. Till then, bye bye.